Hey friends! Let's put the wheel back on this small box truck. First, make sure the truck is safely on a jack stand and the parking brake is locked. Lift the wheel onto the hub and line up the holes with the studs. Thread each lug nut by hand. First, this keeps the threads clean and prevents cross-threading. Cross-threading! Remember the simple rule, righty-tighty, lefty-loose to tighten. Always turn the nuts clockwise. For now, just hand tighten until they're snug. Next, grab your lug wrench and tighten the nuts in a crisscross pattern. Work gradually tighten a little on each knot. Then move across to keep the wheel seated evenly. Lower the truck back to the ground and give every nut a final firm clockwise turn. And that's it. The wheel is locked in and ready for the road. Easy, right?